So my advice to anyone that's starting out with technology, any type of technology, is make the time. Make the time to actually learn. And so I actually sat down and I watched videos on how to use Zoom for 2 or 3 hours. I practiced doing it and I put in the time so that when I got to presenting live that very first time, it was generally a comfortable experience for myself. But the other thing I will say is always have backups. Now, again, that's a bit of a common sense thing to say, but if you've got Zoom going on, all right, what happens or what are you going to do if your Zoom crashes? What are you going to do if your internet cuts out? What are you going to do if? So for me, a big part of technology is when you're delivering, yeah, stuff goes wrong. Yeah, shit happens. Excuse the S word there, but it does. And great trainers, presenters, master facilitators, people that have been around for a little bit longer, stuff goes wrong, but how they handle it is just different. So I guess when people are first starting out with technology, they have those moments of freak out. They're like, oh, I can't do this. Well, what do I do if that happens? And over time, though, because you've had the experiences of things going wrong, you're just a little more comfortable. So I guess my advice is be easy on yourself. Give yourself grace and know that over time you will learn it. Over time you will feel comfortable, but I'm only good at it because I've made more mistakes than everybody else. And I'm just like, cool, that went wrong. But next time I'm going to make sure that I've got a stopgap for that, or I've got a backup plan. So that would kind of be my advice around technology. Put in the time, learn it, and always have backup plans if anything ever goes wrong.